drowning in repetitive questions, let's conquer that chaos by mastering canned messages in Aisensy. First, navigate to your Aisensy dashboard. This is your command center for streamlined customer interactions. On the left-hand side, locate the canned messages or templates section. Click on it to access your pre-written response library. You'll see a list of any existing canned messages. To create a new one, look for the Create New button or the plus icon, usually located at the top right corner. Click it. A form will pop up in the name, title field. Enter a descriptive name for your canned message, something that will help you easily identify it later. Next, create a shortcut code. This is the magic word or phrase you'll type in your chat window to quickly access the canned message. Keep it short and easy to remember, like hello or shipping. Now, in the message body field, type the complete message you want to send. Be clear, concise, and professional. This is your opportunity to provide a helpful and consistent response. Double-check everything, and when you're satisfied, click the Save or Create button. To use your canned message, simply type the shortcut code in any Aisensy chat window. As you type, Aisensy will suggest the corresponding message. Just select it, and boom, instant reply. Congratulations! You're now a master of Aisensy canned messages, ready to supercharge your customer service and reclaim your time.